What's up, y'all? It's your girl Thanai, and today I'm just pretty much just going to show you a little glimpse of me at the laundromat. I know, boring, but I just wanted to like share my experience on the process of what I have to wear, how I act, because I totally like just do not like, I don't like going there. So it's because like when you have your own, for example, washer and dryer, and it gets taken away from you, and then you have to like go out of your means, out of your comfort to go wash your own clothing, it sucks. Now, I'm only saying that because like my situation was that I had them and that someone blatantly took them out of spite and sold them for their own means, out of spite, knowing that I have children. You know, and as a single parent, you know, at that time, like, what are you doing? Like, come on. So, anyways, I'm done ranting. It may be a little bit overboard, but like I said, they're not my washer and dryers. So, if you want to go ahead and see that, stay tuned. So here I'm walking, and I'm totally like I'm angry. I'm just angry, but I gotta do the laundry. Yes, I'm wearing gloves. I couldn't find my actual like other like medical grade gloves. I was just asking like if he was recording or what should I do with the jackets, I think. But yeah, here I am washing. I have like a lot of clothes, you guys. Like this is like just I think one load, and I have about like probably 4 loads to do. That's because like I don't go to laundromat every day, so I don't know. Okay. Here starts my rant. So I absolutely hate washing clothes, so I have to come to the laundromat and do it. Sorry guys, I am gonna look very angry, and just cope with me right now. Thanks. So guys, as you've seen, that lady come right next to me, and I'm like angry because the distancing and all that. I know I have a mask, so yeah, I've got new gloves again because this is like, I think, oh yeah, this is my other load. My other one was like jackets, and this one was like, I don't know, just mainly clothing and shirts and, you know, the basic wear. So yeah, like I'm preparing to put them into the dryer. And yep, I'm pointing over there to the dryer area. And that's where I gotta go. So I don't know what I'm doing. I'm pointing a little bit of everywhere. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, I'm just mad at this point. And I just wish I was at home. So yes, now we're at the dryer, and I am putting my quarter in. I was completely like flustered at this point, and I was having difficulties. I figured it out, so I'm preparing. I'm throwing, as you can see, I'm just throwing them in. Like I'm mad, and don't get me wrong, you guys. Like I understand, but you know, sometimes you just don't have a washer and dryer in your home, or you gotta go in the basement of an apartment complex or different area. I get that, but I'm just saying, from my point of view, you know what I mean? Like, because I had them just recently and now I don't. That's all. Now, this is just like how I get because I miss my washer and dryer, you know? Oh my gosh, finger in the freaking way. Okay. Alright, you guys, so this is like pretty much the last bit of it. It takes about 20 to 30 minutes depending on the load. Roughly in between there. I don't know, someone was behind me, I guess, the whole time, and I'm just flustered still. I still have other clothes to dry, and so I'm going, yeah, it's a mess. But anyways, yeah, I'll be fine. See this? It's a mess. Like, I'm a mess. Alright, y'all, so that was it. I am so sorry that I had to put you through that little show of what I do. Oh my god, my eyebrows. I did not get to go out any today, but I'm preparing for another laundry day and going shopping for some bare necessities. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you're not subscribed, guys, I do throw out some content out there that is just, you just don't know what you're gonna get. So yeah, sorry like you had to guys watch that. I just wanted to share my experience of having to go out of my means of comfort to, you know, wash clothes. So I'm hoping that I get to, you know, get my washer and dryer and not have to go out and be angry and upset and get my stress levels up. So we all don't want that. Yes, my loves, I do appreciate all of you. So everyone, definitely hit that like and subscribe button. And yes, if you're already a subscriber, mucho gracias. Thank you so much. Faristo, there you go. Three languages. Thank you. But yeah, stay tuned, y'all. I've got more content. As you guys can see, I didn't do my makeup fully. I kind of like was like, I don't know, attempting, and I think I was totally forgot the other side. I don't know what I was doing there, but yeah. Thanks. Love you guys. Bye.